Is your CAD office spending countless hours creating repetitive drawings? Are you finding it increasingly difficult to recruit, train, and manage skilled engineering resources? In today's competitive world, delivering projects faster with limited manpower has become a major challenge. But what if there was a smarter way to overcome this challenge? Introducing Super Dynamic Blocks from GaammaBytes, an intelligent CAD automation technology that completely transforms the repetitive drawing generation process. Our process begins by studying your existing drawings in detail. We identify and parameterize every variable that influences the drawing. All these variables are then organized systematically in an Excel sheet. Next, we recreate the complete drawing using these parameters and automatically generate an AutoLISP program using our proprietary technology. The final AutoLISP solution is delivered to your organization, ready for immediate deployment. Tasks that previously required hours of manual drafting can now be completed in just a few minutes. The result? Faster project delivery, improved productivity, and significantly reduced engineering effort. Let's look at a real-world example. Here is a vented dip drawing used in civil engineering projects. Although the drawing remains similar, dimensions change from project to project. Typically, all design calculations are performed in Excel, and engineers manually reproduce the entire drawing for every new project. This process consumes valuable engineering time and increases the possibility of errors. We analyzed this drawing and identified every variable affecting its geometry. These variables were organized in an Excel spreadsheet. Using these parameters, we regenerated the entire drawing and automatically produced an AutoLISP program. Now, the user simply runs the AutoLISP program, updates the required values in Excel, copies a single cell value when prompted, and within seconds, the complete drawing is automatically generated, including drawing entities, dimensions, text annotations, hatches, layers, and all drafting standards. No repetitive drafting, no manual redrawing, no wasted effort. Unlike conventional CAD dynamic blocks, Super Dynamic Blocks are far more powerful and flexible. This technology can automate highly complex engineering drawings that traditional dynamic blocks simply cannot handle. Super Dynamic Blocks can be adopted across virtually every engineering discipline, including civil, mechanical, electrical, structural, and architectural engineering. Every solution is developed using your organization's existing standards, templates, layers, blocks, line types, text styles, dimension styles, and hatch patterns, ensuring seamless integration without disrupting your current workflow. Every AutoLISP solution developed by GaammaBytes is protected using our unique security mechanism, safeguarding your investment and protecting your intellectual property. Our team brings more than 30 years of CAD domain expertise and has successfully delivered hundreds of AutoLISP automation solutions across diverse industries. With Super Dynamic Blocks, you can reduce human errors, minimize quality check efforts, eliminate repetitive manual drafting, and increase productivity without increasing manpower. Enable the same engineering team to produce significantly more drawings and ultimately generate drawings in minutes instead of hours. Transform your CAD workflow into a faster, smarter, and more productive engineering process. Share just one repetitive drawing process with our team, and we will demonstrate the time and effort savings possible through Super Dynamic Blocks. Partner with GaammaBytes and redefine the future of engineering automation. Call us today at 900-869-2687 or email cadsuperuser@gmail.com.